Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching our weekly meals. This was Monday's dinner. I just seasoned some chicken, a whole chicken that I cut up, with some paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, mustard powder, dried dill weed, salt, pepper, and that's all. And I just fried it. Sunday's dinner, I did not record. We had leftovers. The kids had McDonald's. Yeah, so I'm just gonna fry this for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning 2 to 3 times. Yeah, so the kids really do like fried chicken. I don't like to make it that much. I don't really bread it in flour or breadcrumbs. I just season it, let it marinate for a little while, and then fry it. I would really like to know how you guys make your fried chicken, what techniques do you use, what seasonings. Please leave any suggestions and tips in the comments below. So we had the fried chicken with white rice and chickpeas that I seasoned and fried sweet plantains. My two older boys are extremely picky lately, and they don't like much of anything that I cook. They did eat the fried chicken, a little bit of the white rice. They didn't like the chickpeas. What are you guys feeding your teen boys who are picky? This is Monday's dinner: fried chicken, white rice with chickpeas, and fried sweet plantain. I had purchased this back at Williams-Sonoma a few weeks back, so I figured I would make it for everybody as a treat. I did add more chocolate chips though. It was okay, not the greatest to be honest, but we did enjoy it with a cup of coffee, some of us tea. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot. It is now Tuesday, and I had to make a quick stop at Aldi's. I had to get some stuff for my lo mein. I did get my first red label, whatever, red tag discounts. I've never got any of these before, so I was really excited. I got the trout for 30% off, the chicken thighs for $1 off, and the chocolate donuts 50% off. I had to go to Walmart to get some Easter eggs, and I was really surprised at how much they had. I haven't been to Walmart in a few weeks,
Which ones do you want to get?
Or so. But yeah, they had so much Easter stuff, and then of course I had to get myself some stuff in my garden, which I will be doing separate vlogs as the season goes on. I always do a big garden of flowers and vegetables, and I'm really excited to share that with you guys. What are you guys planting this season? Tuesday's dinner is shrimp and vegetable lo mein. This is the lo mein that I use. It does say chow mein. It's from a West Indian store, but you can use any lo mein that you have. You can even use spaghetti, fettuccine, whatever you have on hand. This is how we make ours. Wednesday, I made a quick stop to Lidl. Of course, I had to get more plants. I'm going to be purchasing plants up until probably fall. I'm really addicted to my garden, and I get so excited every year. Here's everything that I purchased from Lidl's, 30% off on the ground beef. I was really excited about that, another deal. I got the cucumbers for $1.79, the tomatoes for $1.49, and the asparagus for $1.99. That was all on sale. Wednesday's dinner was baked potatoes and chili. I used ground beef for the chili and whatever beans I had in my pantry. And the secret recipe for my chili, one day I have to share with you guys, but my mother a while back told me she puts chocolate powder in hers, and I never thought to do that. So I add chocolate powder into my chili. So this is a sneak peek at my garden. I will definitely be showing you more videos separately from here to show you the transformation. I'm just planting tulips and various other things along the garden behind the fence, and then all the way at the end is usually my vegetable garden. So Wednesday's dinner, like I said, is baked potatoes and chili. I always add cheese and butter to my baked potato. Some of my kids don't like that, and sometimes sour cream, but I forgot to purchase. Thursday's dinner was Greek inspired. Everything I purchased at Lidl's. This spinach pie was $6.99, and the gyro kit, which you'll see later on, was $9.99. This spinach pie was a hit. I do make, I don't know if I'm going to say this correctly, spanakopita. I have made that before, a few times actually. My kids love it. I learned how to make it first in culinary school. But this was just as good, and you know what? It's simple. I don't have to bake anything. Well, I do have to bake, but I don't have to make anything. We all loved it. So if you remember a few weeks back, I purchased a gyro kit from BJ's. This gyro kit is less money, $9.99, though it's not always at Lidl's. It is now on special. It was delicious. The tzatziki sauce was amazing. It tastes just as good as any restaurant. The meat was better, and so was the bread. I think the overall quality was a lot better than BJ's. And I'm going to go back at the end of the week to purchase at least 2 more to have in my freezer for the kids for future dinners. Top. Thursday's dinner, gyros, and the spinach phyllo pie. With Easter around the corner, I want to test out a new carrot cake recipe. It was okay. We enjoyed it, but it wasn't our favorite, so I think I'm going to test out a new recipe next week. Thought the recipe had too much elements to it. The coconut, the walnut, the orange juice. I didn't add the raisins though, and I just thought it was really dense. It wasn't my favorite. I think I like the more light one with just carrots, maybe the raisins. It's Friday morning, and I'm dreaming of how my garden's gonna look in the upcoming weeks. I just can't wait to show you guys. The It's Friday, and as you guys know, we're not eating meat for the Lent season. So I decided to try something new. I'm going to make fried cabbage with vegetables, well, other vegetables besides the cabbage, and a potato paratha roti. Never made this before, so I'm hoping it comes out decent. And I did use the leftover grated carrots I had from the carrot cake, because I grated way too much that day. Friday's dinner, potato roti, cabbage, and some of the potato filling on the side. For Saturday's dinner, I honestly did not know what to cook. I decided to make meatloaf. So we're having meatloaf with rice using the leftover carrots, because I did have a lot of grated carrots, with some chickpeas and the asparagus that I had bought on sale at Lidl's the other day. I usually put ketchup on top of my meatloaf, but when I went in the fridge to get the ketchup, I found out my kids left me none. I'm just adding some chopped up parsley and cilantro to the rice. I don't like to add that to the beginning. I feel like the fresh flavor gives a different taste to the rice. I'm just going to toss that and leave it uncovered for a little while. So this is Saturday's dinner. If you like my video, please like and subscribe and comment below.